Hello YouTube. We did these a while back. We want to redo them. We're bored. We're going to try to sand some of this junk out because we just cleaned them up. We had some heat shrink tubing on the handles here, so it's a little bit different color. But we're going to take them apart, take them to a little belt sander and different stuff and see if we can get them to be a little bit better. We don't want to lose our logo, so it may look kind of nasty where the logo is when we're done. We'll give it a try. It's going to be a real short video, I promise. There'll be probably more pictures than me talking, so let's get to work. Okay, real quick clip. This with the 36 grit sander pad. Here's like the before look. Here's what the after look. How many pits I got out. It's not going to be perfect. You see where I went in different directions to keep it level. Don't just go one direction, go all over. And this is wide enough that I can keep it pretty flat. There you go. Enough on that. 30 seconds to show you. Then I'm off to whatever next tool I use to grind a little more. Smooth polish, I should say. Sand. Okay, another quick clip. This is with the belt sander. Kind of tricky doing this, but this bows down right here. If you push on it, like say this, where spots where it's kind of curved, like this is curved, you can kind of get in there like this with it, with a medium pressure, not a lot of heavy pressure. This was done as flat as it could be out here. Try to stay in a direction with, like the factory put the machine lines in it. But there you go. Another few seconds of that using this tool. Okay, we're all done on the belt sander. And then we're going to see what we can do with our polishing wheels. We did save that. I mean, it's still in there. So we're going to see what we can do. We're going to try maybe that scrubby wheel and maybe this polishing compound. The heavy black stuff. See what we can do. Get some of these sander marks out. I doubt it'll work. I mean, I can use my little bitty belt sander, but this is hard still. It would take a long time to do. So, off to the next step. Okay, we took this wheel. Did really good getting a lot of the sanding marks out and grinder marks. It took a lot of work though, but it did pretty good. I mean, it's just going to be a tool I use. It don't have to be polished mint condition, but they do look better than when I started. There you go. Off using at least this burst, really aggressive, then maybe give it a nice buff with some of that, the brown. So we're going to really get aggressive with the black compound. We're going to use like one of these wheels for sure, because they're really hard. I can really get burning on there. And I'm going to wear my leather gloves over top of these, because this stuff gets hot on like this wheel. It'll get hot in your hands. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, this is the best I can do. So they're just a tool. I'm having trouble getting that square bolt through that hole because it's old. It's like somebody messed it up once before. It only fits in there just right through the hole because the bolt's got a square down in there where it comes through here and then it pivots here. I think you know what I mean. Not bad. It'll do. Now I wish I had some of that plastic dip to put on the handles there. So, there you go. A lot better than when I started. So, thanks for watching if you hung in here this long. I'll take a couple pictures there.